Hi, good morning. I just woke up and I have a good sleep tonight, so mag-unbox tag isa ka parcel. Deserve to unbox isa ka parcel. So I think this is bags from House of Little Bunny. Yeah! I like this bag. I always saw it on internet. So finally, naka-purchase na yun ko, no? So, yay! I'm so excited, guys. So, let's unbox. I think it contained 2 bags. 2. And this brand is known for Kimchu. It's a Kimchu bag brand. The House of Little Bunny bag. This is lots of stores in Taiwan, and sa Philippines is from Kimchi. Wow, so huge, so big. So it's my second parcel na rin to open. Since it's holiday, I deserve something new. So I open now. First, it's a clog from Philia. Now I deserve this bag. Open. Yay! So this is it. Ooh. So hot. Wala ko na pinagpon. Conserve energy. Yay! So excited. Hindi man makuha, guys, eh. Yeah. Ta-da! Yay! Let's first open. Finally, the House of Little Bunny. So, this is a new trend bag. So, every lady, kailangan mag-isuan. Wow! I think mine is 22 cm. Because I have 18 cm, it's too small. Pero spacious siya. Pero I want a lot of space. Kailangan kong anik-anik. Girly type. So, I need bigger and spacious kind of bag. So, this is the House of Little Bunny. Wow, it's so pretty. Yeah. This is 22 cm. The ano is they have 18, 20, and 22. So for me, it's good. It's not that huge, but it's spacious. It's like a bucket bag. Now, it's very convenient, right? Now, you just clip, and then you can. And it has the strap. Yes, strap. For me, guys, it's nice. 22 cm is nice for me. But if you want a small area, you can go for 18 cm. So this is inside. It's so spacious. And then there's another strap. Duha ka strap ani, guys. So yeah. Ana na siya. I have it. So get this one. So happy. I have 18, but it's too small. 22 cm is nice. Yeah, so that little bunny in there. Side pocket, both sides, and also if you have card, you can put it here. So I can put this one. siya. Yeah, that's right. I'm so kagkag my hair, but it's okay. Woke up like this. Isip mo guys, so this is my little bit way to change the mood, you know? A little bit peel. Yeah, I drink medicine, but it's a psychological peel. It's more on your happiness. Yeah, deserve work, and then I know. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so nice. Let's go. Kizik and Digan. Diba? So nice and pretty. Yeah, it's 22 cm. It's kind and cute. So let's I think this one I have another bag. I will open it on next day. No, for more peel and happiness. House of Little Bunny. Bye.